Hi all. Now today we are going to look at how to merge columns in case of Power Query Editor. Now in front of me I have sheet 1 which is a query. Every sheet in Excel is considered to be a query in Power Query Editor. On the right hand side I can see query settings where the name of the sheet is there, name of the query rather, and whatever steps I have. Now let's say in this data set I want to combine sales channel and order price. Firstly, I'll select sales channel, then control plus click, I'll select order prime. I'll do a right click and remove other column. So these are the columns of utility. Now I'll select this again, then column from examples under add column. Let's say I want to add another column after merging these. Then from selection, from all columns, both being the same thing right now. I'll write online is. So this is such a built-in functionality that when I press enter, it will try to recognize the logic across the. So right now I see next one is offline M, next one is offline H. So Excel here, sorry, Power Query Editor over here has recognized the logic over. Now if I click on OK, I get a merged column. So you see right here in applied steps, it's written insert merged. I can modify this and I can write it sales channel. So, okay. So I've renamed this, right? I can go back like this. Now there are other ways. Let's say I can do this over here also. Add column, merge column, create another column. If I want to add a separator, I can add. Let's say I want to add column. I'll name this as merged only. Create another one with the column. I'll scroll, go back. Now, if I want to make these changes directly over here, so I can go to transform also over here if required. So if I make this transform, instead of adding a new column, let me add a separator. So the new column that has been created, it has been put in instead of the other two columns. So these are the three methods that are involved in merging of columns in case of data in Power Query Editor. Thank you for your time.